Anyways, back to what we were doing. I won the sword fight, I guess, apparently. And I'm gonna press the button. See? That's me. My username is next to next. Now let me press the button. Oh, hey. Let's see. So are we gonna climb up here? And ooh. No, it forces you to sit down. Oh no, I'm scared what happens. Oh, you're supposed to fall down. That's a I'm stupid. That's a target. Seriously. Nobody's gonna get to the other side if there's 1,000 people in this server. Jeez. See? See? No one can get across because there's like 1,000 people. And then I died. I was literally going to the bridge, and then that happened. Somebody press the button. Oh, it's a trampoline. What's happening? I'm going on the side just in case. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Okay, sorry. I'm still alive. I'm staying on yellow, though I know it's gonna fall down. Yellow's the closest to my favorite color right now. My favorite color is gold. Please be green. Please be green. It's gonna be yellow, I know it. Oh, okay. Yes, I won! I survived. Woo! I fell! That's not fair! I fell off the map! You kidding me? I didn't get a chance to go. This game is stupid. Why? Oh, come on. 2. Let's see. Yay! Someone press the button. Oh, okay. I thought that was gonna kill me. Wait, what happened? What's happening? Oh, that's loud. Oh, don't touch the lava. Don't. Oh. No, I died. We all died. Because we're trying not to touch the lava. Are you serious? I die at all of these challenges. And sometimes I don't even get a chance to try. Most of the time I don't. Oh, it's just like the normal find the button. I mean, not the... Never mind. I found the blue pad. You know what? Wow. I'm going to play something else. And that game is going to be... Classic Sonic Simulator V8. Why not? Why not continue with the video on a different game? Most importantly, Sega. Play this. I don't know what to do. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm sorry. I'm not playing the possible obby. The possible obby is actually not possible. Play it for yourself if you want to find out, because I'm not. Trust me, though. It's not as easy as you think. They just try to basically clickbait you. You know what? I got this game caught my eye. I want to do Tsunami Survival. Oh, okay. What's this? Oh, I've got to get to the top. If there's anything I know about tsunamis.
Nom nom nom.
Is that you need to get to higher ground and fast. As fast as you can. As fast as you possibly can. And I died because I was trying to jump to that one because I thought it was higher. Anyway, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye. Wait. Anyway, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye. Ba-doop, 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 doop, doop.